Oops. Okay. Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, we are going to be opening up. Oh, what? Candy? No. We're gonna be opening up headphones. Yay. So yeah, and so I haven't been really posting lately, so I decided to do a YouTube video with headphones. So yeah, let's just open it up. Okay, so basically it does not want to open, and this is horrible that it doesn't want to open. And they cut my nails, so they're really short. Wait, so like they're really short, so I can't open it, so that's the problem. Gonna need some scissors, probably maybe. Let's just put it back. Oh no. Okay. That was an accident. Okay, stay. Okay, so I'm gonna try to open this. So I find a way finally, but not sure if it. Oh, it worked! Yay! And I sort of broke the package. But anyway, we get to open it savagely. Ah! Okay, so I've got the plastic out. Okay, so I'm pretty excited. Dun dun dun. Oh wait, what? Oh. Wait, what? Wait, I still don't get it. What is the matter with this headset? Oh! I've been trying to like pull it out, but it's actually like this. So this is how it looks like when you open it, and they're sick. Okay, so what is this? A card. Focus on that. Okay. So I'm not sure if you can read it, but yeah. Got this. Yay! I don't even know what this is for, but why not? So, what is this thing in the middle? This thing. Yeah. What is this? Comment down below if you know what is this. So, let's just open it. See. Oh, is it a charger? Oh, it's a charger. And I just dropped it. Cool. So there's like, what the hell is this thing? I don't even know what this is. Okay, so this looks like a charger, and I have no idea what is this because it has two of these. One, two. So I don't know what are these, but let's just get on to the most exciting part, the headphones. Wait, gotta make this moment. Dun 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 dun. No, you ruined it. Dun dun dun. Okay. Dun 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 dun. So I've got the headphones, and these are how it looks like, and put these on, you legit can't hear anything. I can hear myself talking, but then, you know, if you play something in this, probably won't hear anything. So, yeah. I almost dropped it. Okay, so I'm looking for something that is on it. Do you, like, charge it or something? Can't tell. But, you know, let's just... So I'm recording with another phone, which is my dad's phone, because I can't record on this phone. But I can watch YouTube, do TikTok, and stuff on this phone. So yeah, well, it was charging. Turning it on. Okay, so it's very cold, you know. Even though I just burped, sorry. The thing is on. The aircon is on low, but it's still cold, you know? I'm not wearing socks, but I'm wearing long pants. Yeah. These are cool. I love them. Is there like a button to on it, or is it just like automatic? Now I know how. I turned it on! Yay! Finally, I'm so dumb. See? Turn it on. Oh, no, I need to charge it. Hate it. But, you know, that's okay. Do for the headphones. Wait, let me... Is it, like, actually charging? Are you seriously kidding me? It's not even... It wasn't even charging. Oh, you can't see. It's too bright. There, 0. See? Oh my god. You know what? I'm gonna charge that later. So I'm gonna try charging the headphones first. So it has the same charger as my phone, but not like my dad's phone. Yeah. Oh wait, it's not. Is it charging? Because I can't tell. You know what? Let's just use the charger. So we're gonna charge this, the power bank first. We're gonna charge it first. And where is the USB? Oh wait, my phone's turned on. Okay, let's try it before we charge it. Because I don't know if it's dead or not. I don't know if it's like need to charge or something. Oh wait, no, let me turn on the Bluetooth. Oh, I turned on the Bluetooth. So yeah. #3. It's a #3. Yeah. So it's like the #3. Oh, I'm connected. So it's probably not dead. Okay, let's play some music. I think. Okay, so let's just try, and I'll put the headphones on you guys. And you comment down below if you know the song when I play it. Okay. Okay, so where is it? Okay, so let's put it on, you guys. I don't know if you're gonna hear it, but so hopefully you guys heard that. Guess that was true. light. Okay, so I have no idea what I just did. So I could have done this light earlier, so it's like brighter. And yeah. So let's turn this off and let's see. Oh no, actually it's better like this. The lighting is better. So let's turn off that one because yeah, only this one is on. So I can turn off the other one. So oh wait, let me bring this here like here and like wait. Can you like hear that? If you hear that, then congratulations. You gotta tell me off the song. Okay, so like, let's just say, wait, put you back. And I need to do something with my phone. There. Oh my God. It's okay. No one would all this, right? 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 Okay. Put it here. Put it back. Please don't fall again. Please. Okay. I'm gonna do something with my phone real quick. Wait, I know there's another song, right? So. Wait, what? So, okay, so I don't have another song. But yeah. Oh wait, I was gonna do something. Oh, never mind. It's okay. Who cares? But yeah, so like this. Oh, so this is like really good headsets. Headphones, and this is what it looks like. Let's see what's. I don't know. Skull Candy #3 wireless perfection, up to 22 hours battery life, just quads 22D hour. I think autonomy private charge. What? Okay, but yeah, this is headphones. Yeah. So shout outs to Skull Candy. Even, oh no, these are not. The other ones that I left at Wilson's house were also Skull Candy, so. Yeah, let's put this on. I played a different song, but I don't want you to hear it. So like, you're just like in the plane and you're like, oh, I got headphones on my head. So, yeah. So thumbnail, I'll put a bonus photo. Probably, maybe, sure. Okay, so that was the end of the video. Wait. So, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll probably post every week, but probably every Saturday and Sunday. And probably vlogging sometimes. So yeah. Okay. That was ugly. Okay, so yeah.